here ascending and descending order, short with text, number and date, short with formatting in multiple orders, in custom orders. Okay. So these are the options of sorting a data, sorting a table, sorting a data. So now what we are going to do, that we are going to learn the sorting and filter, right? Because here what we have learned, like I have already discussed all these things, but again, let's discuss it further. For example, ascending and descending order. So we have already learned that once you will provide the filter, what is the shortcut key to provide the filter? Control Shift L is the shortcut key. Okay. And what is the what from which tab we'll get the tool of providing the filter? From the data tab, here there is a shorten filter an option, and here it is the filter option available. So what we normally used to do, here we can use it now, like the filter button. The filter button basically works on the basis of the type of data you do have. Okay. For example, in the employee code, you have the alphabetical data. So here, there are the sorting is from A to Z or Z to A. Here, there is a numerical data. The sorting would be from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Right. Now, let's have a look that you have colored something. Okay. You have different colors. Now you have an option of sorting it by color. Here there is an option of filtering by color, or here is an option of sorting it by color. To sort by cell color. So let's say what is the color I need first. So I need the red one. So the red one would be on the top. Okay. After that, if I want anything like after that I need green. So obviously the green would be the top, and then after that there will be red. So similarly, we can sort it with the help of our colors, and accordingly they will get arranged. Okay. So this is the way we need to arrange sorted by colors. We can also provide the same thing by filters. Let's say I only want the data which is highlighted with red. So I'll select the red, and here we will get the data only that cell color is red. Okay. Similarly, what you can do here, you have many options like sort with text. Sort with text means that here you have an option of sorting by color, but here you have the text filters. Okay. Sorting with text, you have an option of A to Z. Okay. Or you can sort it by Z to A. Right. This is the only sorting option. Or what you can do, there is an option of custom sorting. A shorten filter, here we can get the custom sorting, name and cell value, what should be the cell value, or you can again select that earlier we have selected that, let's say for the same name. So first here we will set on the base of department. Then after that, there we will be setting it with the name. Like let's say if there is an finance, so from first the finance will get sorting of the department. We'll get the finance, accounts and something, and within that department also the names will be sorted with on the basis of alphabet. So now we'll select okay. So here you can see first there is accounts. In accounts also there is Amit and Manoj. So the Amit and Manoj have been sorted by alphabetical way. Again there is finance. So first there is finance, and then after that after the finance you can get that there is Robert, then Sumita, and then Surjit. Okay. So you get all these details on the basis of what? Multiple sorting. So sorting with formatting, sort with formatting. So cell color, font color. You just saw that there is an option of cell color. Font color you will get only if there is a difference in the font. Then only this sort by color. Here in option there is, you can see that sort by font color. So you will get an option on the basis of the variations available. But if there won't be any variation, then on what basis you will be sorting it, right? So for sorting, there must be some option, then only you'll get an option of sorting. For example, I have like in this right now, you have only what? Sort with font color, right? The moment you will provide them the background color, now you'll get the sorting on the basis of, you can see the cell color and sort by the font color. So you have both of the options of cell color and the font color. That totally depends on your type of data. So as much variations there would be, that much of option available for you for sorting or for filtering as well. Okay, now in multiple orders and in custom orders, so we have just done the multiple orders we have done while making these changes, and custom orders we have already made by this one, right? Customizing it on the basis of our requirement. So this was all about a table of this particular fifth PPT, sorting the data. What you can do, you can just go through the data and you can make the sorting the tables. Okay, so please, it's a request, please go through the PPTs and practice it so that it will be helpful for you.